Hello, we're going to sow a wonderful cover crop today with our super volunteers. We've got a nice team out here today. People are welcome to join us on Tuesdays and Thursdays to help in the garden. And it's very exciting this time of the year to actually sow these magical seeds that will bring such richness and fertility to the soil. We have a fantastic mix of peas here. And I like mixing lots of peas that are nitrogen fixing with some grains. Buckwheat is pretty good because we've got a shady area here and it will actually grow quite well in the shady area. So
Nasturtium over here.
And Max, what are you adding?
Edible chrysanthemum.
Fantastic. We have grains, legumes and nasturtiums, and we're going to mix it together, but it's mostly lots of grains, so if you can add that, Elaine. To the legumes, we will only add 20% of grains. So let's mix it all together. So the reason why we mix grains with legumes is that the grains have wonderful piercing roots that dive into the soil and they break it all open. And that allows the legumes to grow in between and release nitrogen. And the flowers are fabulous for happiness. And the edible chrysanthemum we're going to munch on very soon. So yeah, this is the promise that we put to the garden. Okay, let's sow.